You're watching how to send voice messages with View Once mode in WhatsApp. Open a chat with the contact in WhatsApp. Tap and hold the microphone icon to the right of the text field to start recording a voice message. While recording, swipe up to lock the recording and continue hands-free. Once you finish recording, release the button. The voice message will appear as a draft with a play button before sending. Tap the one icon located next to the send arrow. This icon represents View Once. You must tap this one icon before sending. Tapping it will change the appearance of the voice message bubble, usually adding a small one indicator on it. This indicates the message is now set to View Once mode. You can also tap the icon again to disable View Once if you change your mind. After enabling View Once, tap the send arrow as usual. The voice message will be sent with a special border or icon showing it's a View Once message. When the recipient opens the chat, they will see a prompt that it's a View Once voice message. Once they tap to play it, the message will be deleted from the chat for both sides immediately after it finishes playing. The recipient cannot replay, forward, or save it. Note that the recipient could potentially use another device to record the audio, but within WhatsApp, it's designed to be ephemeral. This feature works for both individual and group chats. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.